see the buses. It's just us. Hey, you there. Hey, you there, you there. Hey. I see you over there. So this is the Chuseok boat. The Chuseok lake, the man-made lake. Maybe the carnival's open. I hear music too. The music's coming out of the speaker, I think. Yep, definitely is. This is Chuseok boat area. Chuseok River. Lake. Man-made. Apparently they do light shows over there, or over here. Guess I can look it up and see if they'll have one today. There's this place called the Snow Factory, and it's in an airplane. I wonder what it is. Stairwell to heaven. Oh, that feels so good. Do we want to go in, or do we want to just go to the walk around in there? Huh? The stairwell there. My battery's dying. Let's see if we can catch the Snow Factory really quickly. Okay, so this is our snow slushy, whatever you want to call it. This is supposed to be raspberry or something. And this cheesecake. And this is the Snow Factory. It's a really, really pretty place. Very nice, and it's a huge airplane. Pretty cool idea. I wonder where they got the airplane from. It's really nice. I don't want to wait for Tonya because it's going to melt, right? But I'm going to wait. She's in the bathroom. Let's see if she's coming. Is she coming? Here she comes. Hello. How's it look? Looks delicious. Okay, wanna try. Is it good? Did you try the cake? Let's see what this is. The ice is really smooth. It's really good. And the guy here, he speaks really good English. The cheesecake is awesome. OMG. What is this? This is good. Delicious. Amazing. The snow's already almost gone. There's a dish called papingsu, and it's like ice, like water ice though usually, or like milk ice. But
it's a crust on the bottom.
That's what I was saying. But this ice is really smooth. And this cheesecake is not too thick. It's like perfect. Delicious. Just finished eating at the Snow Factory. It was really nice. Really nice little place, really clean, pretty, nice and white and snowy like. It was a really nice little relaxation moment. Now it's time to go back into this blazing heat. Blazing, look at this. Look at the wheels on that thing. Big ol', big ol', big ol', big ol'. So your head can almost touch it. You grew 2 or 3 more feet. They got some little choo-choo for 3,000. I think that's us.
No.
Yes, it is. This is us. This is where we are. This is the airplane.
Whatever.
Yeah.
You ain't smart.
I am. It's okay.
Right.
Oh, look. There's an ice skating rink.
Ooh, we should do that.
Okay, so we are just kind of halfway exploring, halfway trying to find some medicine, halfway walking, halfway running, halfway flying, halfway driving.
You're weird.
Your face.
How can we do halfway that many?
Shut up! Because it's more than holes of tons of stuff. Okay? Anyways, so we're just... There's a lot of seafood restaurants here. So I kind of want to go back to this all-you-can-eat samgyeopsal. I don't know if it'll be open. Oh, there's a CU. And then I kind of want a burger, but I mostly want the samgyeopsal. But I kind of want a burger, but I don't know. This is a lot of choices. Not in this area, at least. It's kind of sucky. But
There are a lot of restaurants.
no, not the samgyeopsal or burger. I don't see none of that stuff. Oh, there is a seafood, and a bagel doctor from New York. But right now we're heading over to the CU because Tanya's dying. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord, yes, Lord. There's Naengmyeon. Ooh, I feel good. Da-na-na-na-na-na. I know that you would now. Wow. Okay, so I charged my battery up a little bit when I was up, and it's a green light. When I was,
See you.
oh my gosh, guess now I know how you feel. When I was in the snow factory. So we got a little bit more time. See how long that lasts. Here's to see you. Tanya's gonna survive. Oh, and I can charge my bus ticket. Puffer fish restaurant. I would not eat a puffer fish. I don't care how professional you say you are. I will not eat a puffer fish. So I was just thinking how, like, in America, Thanksgiving, people either stay home and eat with their families and have a big old hoopla at home, or they go out and try to find restaurants. And looking around here, a lot of restaurants are closed, but in some places they're open, and you see some families going to eat out, stuff like that. And it just kind of reminded me of America. What's the plan? Staying for food? Do you want to stay here and walk around more, or do we want to go back to somewhere else? Let me know so the navigator can navigate us. The navigator's me. So we're walking down this randomness so that we can get to this bus stop. It smells like country area. It smells like trees. Ooh, apples. Oh my gosh. No, those are not apples. Those are pomegranates. That's amazing. They got themselves a little pomegranate tree. Now over here, it smells like trash. Chris, so trashy. Trashy, put some clothes on, I told you. Now over here, it smells like trash. Chris, so trashy. Trashy, put some clothes on, I told you. See, the thing about this place is, it's so small that even though you have a house, your neighborhood area is not that great looking. Like, you can deck up your yard area and stuff like that, but once you step out of your nice little square of land, you're in the streets of thisness. Hager. Work it. Work it. Tanya says this place is a temple. I don't think so. I think it's somebody's house.
I think it's a temple.
I really think it's a house. Look at it. Wow, it's beautiful, but it's a house. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can see. We are at Thursday Party Burger and Pasta. It's so big. It has a fried egg and a burger and tomato and onion and just, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Only if you could smell it. This is Thursday Burger. It's got like a kind of bar club feeling to it. I'm ready to chow down. Yeah. We had a long day. I think we're gonna head back towards the house, walk around a little bit. But I'm tired. It's delicious. Totally worth it. Looking for some waterproof liquid eyeliner. I really like Tanya's brush liner. I think this is waterproof. I'm gonna have to see if I like it though. gonna test it out. Nope. Maybe this one. Alright. So I found some liner. Sorry, it's a push liner. They're all dried out. You can't see it. These are $12. Guess I could try, I don't know. Consult the professional. Tonya over there. Push it and it comes out. That's nice. Okay.
This has makeup remover on it. Okay, so it took some serious scrubbing.
You still didn't get it
And
on.
still didn't get it all the way off. Still blurry.
Okay, so I found this moisture cool tint and it works really, really well. Sorry. Put it on your hand and it doesn't come off. And maybe this waterproof push liner. I think it's gonna be nice. It's really cool. Push it. But it's good. It's natural. We bought some makeups. Me and Tonya both bought some lip tints. And I bought eyeliner. We'll see how that works. Pretty excited because it's pretty cool. I'm gonna go see if my friends in this Napun Goyangi working really quickly. Napun Goyangi. I don't see her. I don't see her. She's probably not working today. Boo. And it is the finishing of the day. And I am broke and it ain't no joke. Yes, the finishing. The finishing of the day. We are finishing the day. Sorry it's really dark. But yeah, my back is hurting now. And I ain't got no monies in my wallet. I came out with, how much did I come out with? 85 buckaroonies. Now I'm going home with 3 buckaroonies. 3 buckaroonies. That's whack to the max. But it's okay. I wanted to do a little shopping. So, you get what you do. Hey, our bus is 3 stops away. Look at me rhyming. Hey, beautiful.
Who, me?
You looked cross-eyed for a second. Home, sweet home. We are home, sweet home. Home, sweet home. Yeah, we are home, sweet home. And I'm ready to relax in my living room. How do you feel?
So ready to close my eyes.
And do what?
My eyes hurt.
Your eyes hurt? So we stopped by the market and got some stuff, some fruit, and some cereal. I guess I'll show y'all my day's haul. My day's haul. Okay, so me and Tonya kind of looked at each other and then both looked in the mirror at the same time, trying to look at our looks. I don't know, it's a little tinted. Not that great. Are you gonna come down later or staying up all night?
I might come down later.
Love you, bye. Home, sweet home. Whoa, don't fall. Nah. Hello? Hello? Anybody in my messy home? Anybody in my messy home? Alright, so I'm gonna do my mini haul. I bought my makeup. The waterproof push liner. Waterproof push liner. My moisture gloss tint. I got the, I think it was like the purple color. We got little sample packets of face masks. It's like soaked masks with, it's soaked in, I guess, face stuff, but the singer, he's on all of their stuff. This was in Global Echo. Okay, and then after that, I bought this cute little clutch bag. Cute little clutch bag. And so this clutch bag comes with a short wristlet as well as the shoulder wristlet thingy. This was on sale. Everything was, I guess, 40% off or something like that. This was about 24 bucks, like 24,001. So in American dollars, it's about 24 bucks, 23, 24. I bought these thingies for my wrist because my tattoo showing. So this is the idea. Just wrap it, and twist it. Bam. No tattoo. What, son? What? And I got a black one, and then I got a colored one. I don't know if you can see very well. Colored. At our local convenience store, I bought some breakfast, some Post Cocoa Dinosaur, whatever cereal. I haven't had this one, but the cereal here is expensive. This box was almost $4, 3,000 something. Then I have that Uyu, that milk, that Good Morning Uyu. Good morning Uyu. And for tonight, I got a little bit of fruit, some grapes. Oh my gosh. If you could only smell these right now. They are so potent. They smell delicious. And those are pretty cheap. But these bad boys, little, whatever they're called, little tangerine cuties, nectarines, whatever. These are $2. And then I got me a little bit of makgeolli. Some rice wine. Sip on tonight while I chillax and maybe watch some movies and eat some fruit. Oh, yeah. So I'm home now. Just gonna chillax, relax a little bit. My apartment's not too messy. It looks a lot better than it has been, but probably do some cleaning tomorrow. But oh, and we're going to Busan tomorrow. I forgot. Yeah, gotta get these videos off of my camera so I can video some more tomorrow. Man, I'm gonna be so backed up on videos. So backed up. All right, y'all. It's time for me to deuces out. Thanks. See you later, gators.